Yeah, we're actually getting some we're getting, yeah, some cold weather. And that keeps shutting off and disconnecting settings. Which, yeah, I gotta figure it out because, yeah, it's not doing anything now. Alright, peace. Alright, guys, yeah, I found it. Actually, it is loose in the back. The whole connection. But I don't think that was it, because this is some freaking cold weather. But I'm gonna just test that. So, once I figure out that that's confirmed, that it was just a clip, then I'll be fine. But, I'm gonna test it this morning. If that, I'm gonna actually record it when I'm testing it. So, alright. See you in the next part of the video, which is in the morning. Alright, okay, guys, we're going to check it. Yeah. Alright. Going to check. Yeah, I gotta check. Alright, now we're just gonna go check it and put the ignition in just so that it'll turn on. Then we're just gonna leave the key in there because that's what I do. Do the CD. Fun memories. Alright, I need to go check this. Maybe I'm gonna re-say that because why not? I'm gonna say that. I'm just checking it so it didn't reset. It doesn't seem like it would reset. Yep, it didn't reset. We all good, bros. Alright. Alright, so yeah, it's working. It was just a loose clip on the back. And yeah, we're good. Alright. That was a serious video. That's a light bright, and I hope you enjoyed. Oh, my hurt.